Now, when we have a great growth mindset, the next step are the products. Now, products, you know all, AM routine is a solid, specific, logical one, not very complicated, specific products according to your age and your need. And PM routine. There's also weekly routine because the skin really needs to get energized from all the damages of the sun. So if you know the cleansers, your moisturizers, sunscreens, which one you have, you're sorted with the products. The next one, the third component, are the treatments. Now, you know, if you're in your 20s, you feel you may just not need anything. That's again a myth. At 20s, you can do something minimal to revive the skin and get back your youthful glow. Yes, you can start at 20s, but these treatments will not match the ones which you will undergo at your 30s or your 40s or your 50s. So age-wise treatments definitely need a change, and this all is depending upon how well the skin is kept, what are the damages, what are your genetics, how well you take care of your skin. The fifth is lifestyle and your lifestyle choices which you make for yourself. Nowadays, we are all talking about mindful living. Lifestyle choices like smoking, how do you tackle your stress, how do you eat, what is your diet, what is your exercise routine. All of this comes in your lifestyle choices, and mindful, healthy lifestyle choices. You eat on time, you sleep on time, you have a great exercise routine. All of that contributes to a great well-being and a great skin too. So internally, whatever you are, including your hormones, your gut health, your mental health, your stress, your occupation, all of that put in alignment towards a great skin will definitely give you that youthful and a radiant look. And the fifth is diet and supplements. Diet, yes, we've only thought about and heard about balanced diet. Well, in skin, you need lot of vitamins, you need lot of minerals, proteins, you need omega-3 fatty acids, good fats, you need a lot of hydration too. So all of this can come with colorful fruits, vegetables, fish, proteins you need to keep up the skin in a tighter way, and supplements, yes. Whatever we eat during the day, it's not possible for us to sit and eat every single thing during the day. Why supplements are needed? Because we are very stressful nowadays. We have extra additional requirements if you are in the sun for long. If I work for late hours at night, my body is short of the nutrients, essential nutrients, and that's why supplements come into place. Essential supplements and extra supplements. So they can always be taken to fortify the quality of hair, quality of skin, and make your skin much more radiant. Nothing to be shy about. Supplements are in. Take them as what you need, what your skin needs, and you'll be great through. In all, these are my 5 steps of skin brilliance, which covers each and every aspect of your skin care. And as you go through the chapters, you will have a lot of answers coming through. Apart from that, I've written what is trending, what is not. I personally don't really bank on trending skincare, but because I am more of a minimalistic person, I would always advise you, okay, only use this, let's see. Then there's a way how to graduate your skincare and your treatments also. Never jump up to extreme conclusions. You can always go one by one step by step. That always works well, because skincare is a journey. It's not a one-stop solution. It's just a journey, and you will evolve with it. So also, it's important for you to have a very good and a long-term relationship with your dermatologist. Like how you have a family physician, you should have a dermatologist who will take care of your skin all the while, from your 20s till you get married, then you'll have pregnancy, then you'll have your old age. So the journey goes to one person, and it's really beautiful. Apart from that, men's skincare, yes, why not? Now we are in a age era of men getting into skincare in a big way. Starting from contouring, getting their hair removed from the chest or from the ears, looking great with a sharp jawline, giving a very masculine kind of a look, very modelistic. People want to sport beard and great hair on the scalp. all of this can be achieved, and men are, I'm very happy to say that men are also getting inclined towards skincare and hair care at the right time. With supplements, they are open to take any kind of treatments. Men would shy away, but now they are open to it. So in all, this is one way of giving education to all my people who are non-medicos but who are lost in the way of how the skincare begins and what it should be, what it takes to get you to a stage of skin brilliance in very simple 5 steps. This is my endeavor. I would urge you all to go to Amazon, pick up the book, finish the book and give us a feedback, and this will really be helpful to us. Any more comments? Definitely, if you want us to help you in your skincare journey, you can always connect to us on all the given platforms of social media and our direct numbers also. So this is Dr. Parul, and I'm again on a mission to serve 1 million people, solve their skin issue, get them to a stage of skin brilliance, happiness and confidence. Till then, stay glowing, stay hydrated and be beautiful.